Sean Cox. My name is Amaria Renee Cox. My name is Trinani Chanel Cox. And this is our first time in. It is the Slime Squad. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. First we're gonna get this. Okay, so first we're gonna open up the blue and then we're gonna okay, we're gonna all this. Okay, Amaria, you wanna do all this glue? Yeah, do all of it. Okay, we're gonna pour all the glue in, and then we're gonna use this detergent and some shaving cream. Can I do the shaving cream? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. But not yet. We gotta do the detergent first. The detergent. Oh, let me squeeze this so I can get that ready. I'm already almost making not that, this. Okay, you got the little bit left. You got some more, and then we're gonna open up the detergent. There you go. Where's Teresa? Look. Shh. Oh, sorry. Okay, Amari's gonna pour all of this detergent. Well, not all. Just there's a bubble inside. Wow. Okay, Brina. Okay, after that, we got more of this in. Oh, yeah. So we already got the vinegar. It's not vinegar, it's glue. Yeah, good. Okay, squeeze that in all the nuts. Okay. Can I do the shaving cream? No, I'm doing the shaving cream. You already did the glue. Those I have. I want to do the shaving cream. Can I do that part? Both of y'all get to do it. No, both of y'all get to do this. No, because you're already doing that. And I get to do it. So, Ashley. Let me see. Got the shaving cream. So you get to do that. You see the spoon? I got the spoon. You already did that. What? You're gonna do the shaving cream too. Don't put a whole bunch. You don't want to be too fluffy. That's enough. That's enough. Your turn. You do the spoon. Too fluffy. I love too fluffy. Okay. Wait, that's the other way. Oh, sorry. No. Okay, so that's gonna be it. Okay, that's enough. Now it's time to spread. I'll do this glitter. I'll do this glitter. Never mind. No, I'll do the red glitter. And then somebody else gonna do the. No, I'll do this around. Yeah. So I'm so excited to do the first video, and it's so cool to be making slime. And we just made up our title for Slime Squad. Yes. So it's gonna be so amazing. Yes. Giggle. We're all gonna get a chance to stir because it's good. Giggle, giggle, giggle. It's forming. Yeah, it's forming a little. We just probably take a while. Y'all can do the bowl like that. Yeah, I don't want to touch it. Okay, Lonnie, don't mess up your shirt. It's okay. Okay, let's stir it. Okay. So we gotta make sure all that blue stuff is out to mix it in with the glue. Yeah. Can I try to mix it up? If there's more glue, squeeze it out. Squeeze the glue out. Can I mix it? No, squeeze the glue out. There's more glue. No, the glue. Where's the? Oh, here. Got it. All the glue out. Mix it more. Squeeze it really tight. Okay, your turn to stir it out, and then my turn to stir. Have to come on me. We're gonna move this. And at the end of the video, please subscribe Wait, did I post it? Yeah, do it. Oh, the glitter is so good. Oh, it's sinking in. Okay, what? Let's get all this glitter out. Okay, this is gonna be the best slime ever. Now this is the best slime ever, guys. I never had slime. So I got two elements. Oh, the slime's turning out so pretty. Squeeze really tight. Gotta get all that slime. There's so much here. Squeeze it. Squeeze it really hard. Oh, really? You're gonna make it, Mommy. Amaya, where's that other one? It's right here. It's glue. Let me squeeze that one out. Everywhere. Everywhere. Let me squeeze that one. Let me see if I can squeeze that silver one. No, not the gold. No, not the gold one. No, silver. Just get it here. Now mix, keep mixing, squeeze it out really high. I'm done. You're done? Tell me when you're done so I can we need more red, actually. Ooh, this kind of looks like cinnamon. Really? Come on, it is. So make sure you get the edges so it can be popped. Okay, now I need one. Whoa. At the end of the video. I think we need more shaving. Yeah, we need more shaving cream. Okay. Don't spray too. Let me see. Wait, I got it. Yeah. Let me stir it by it. Can I stir that? Can I stir it? Yeah. Come on, let's get it. I didn't see that. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's turning out better. Really? I'm so liquid. Yes, this is working. Ooh, this is gonna turn really fluffy this time. Hold up, let me check real quick. We need. Now we stir it more. We get to do it. No, not yet. We gotta keep on mixing to make sure we make more color. There's not a lot of color, but yeah, we want it to be really glittery. Okay, this probably is gonna be. It's only gonna be white. Get that shaving cream off. Okay, we're gonna. Okay, no, what are you doing? I'm gonna put a little bit more. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let me stir over here because that'll make no sense. Let me stir over here because it's like getting all over. Oh, okay, just pour it over. Okay, and then I'll stir it again. Okay, that's it. That's it. Stir. I want to stir. Let her stir. Okay, Betty. You got this. Let's see if the texture's ready. Okay, so that's gotta be a. We gotta get more shade. It's not really ready. Shade. Okay, let's fill it. It feels really. It's gonna be really gluey. This is a lot of glue. Okay, it's almost filled up. Okay, let me wash my hands. Squeeze all of that out. We need more emulsion. Ooh, look at that. What is that? Oh, look at that. Ouch. Okay, let me go wash my hands. Okay, guys. Okay, I hope this is good. Just go wash your hands. like going like. This kind of looks like vanilla. While y'all do the mixing. Yes, good. We need a okay, get your hands out. Yeah. We need to put more. That's too much. Look your hand. Oh no, this is getting too full. Okay, we need to let some mix. Okay, this is getting too full. We guys, we don't need to put no more anything. We just gotta mix. Yeah, I'll mix with the spoon. Okay? The spoon's right there. Where? Get the spoon and mix. Where? Oh, right here. Okay, okay, I'm gonna mix later. Wow. Okay, look. It feels so real. Yeah, I know. So soft. So soft. Okay, we're turning out better. Just gotta get all that in there. Okay, let's get some shampoo. We made some other slimes, like slime glue, but that didn't really turn out the way we wanted to. It wasn't stretchy. It was the color that we liked, but it wasn't stretchy that we wanted it to be. And we didn't have enough to make. Okay, we need to like stir. Okay? Oh, hey, so get my hands in. Yeah. Oh, this is so soft. I can just put my feet in and relax. But it'll be all good. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I definitely put in too much shaving cream. Get some. Let me start it. Can I just get your hands out for me? American, why you don't put your hands out? Put your hands there. Let me stir. How do get your hands out? Get your hands out. Get your hands out. No, get your hands out. I gotta stir to make sure the texture is right. Put your hands out. It's okay. Get something. More shaving from me. Here we go. More shaving. Get your hands out. We can get shaving cream on. Get your hands out. Get your hands out. I gotta put more. I want. A little bit. Okay, now let's mix up. Mix it up. Now let me mix. Let me mix. Get your hands out. No, we can. Let me hands out. Look at it. We gotta clean the table after. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Put your hands in. Wait. Try to put the glue back. Yeah, the glue back. Let me get that sparkle. Okay. We need more texture. Okay. Too much glue. Get all of that glue. I can't. Look at my fingers. It's too slow. So we probably might have to put more laundry. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's getting full, y'all. Just know. Okay, that's good. Let's do that. It's so cool. Okay, Kalani, you're making a big mess, okay? You just need to calm down a little bit. I think you guys saw one of my other videos that I made with my friend. We played with some slime. We tried to find the Shopkins. In that first video, we had the mask on, and then we like played with it and put the Shopkins on, but you only saw our hands, but you didn't see our face. Yeah, that's really true.